Hey there, welcome back and thanks for joining me. All my supplies and equipment are down in the description box and there are links. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you want to see more videos when they come out, hit that notification bell. And likes, comments, and questions are welcome. And I am asking you a question right up front. Which one of these do you like? And do you have more suggestions? We are on the hunt for paper. Photo paper or some type of cheaper way of painting a lot. I like to play, I like to make cards, so I need something lightweight like this, not big and bulky. So Kirkland's, my favorite for the last 4 years. We're not finding this. They're not, I don't know why they're not making it. Geez, I'm sad, but this was my go-to. We're gonna see how these compare. So this is the Koala glossy photo paper. This is the basic Amazon that some people said try. So we did. I did buy the smaller one. So let's just see. This was 100 sheets, 150 and 100. So there's kind of your gauge on how much is in each package. So let's get rolling. Okay, I am using Tim Holtz blowing tool, absolutely my favorite, and I'm using the Ranger Monsoon. So we're using that because we can kind of see it. It's dark enough to see what's going on, but it's not so dark it's going to cover things up. So here are the 6 things I'm going to do. I'm going to do straight ink. We're going to see how that blows out, see how it looks. Another thing that I need to say is I've already played a little bit. I will just say this side soaks it in. I mean, it's just like plain paper, soaks it right in. So the back is not got your plastic coating on it like this one does. You have to use the shiny side. Even the shiny side does better. I'll go ahead and tell you. And you'll get to see. It's crazy because you can feel like there's nothing on there almost. It soaks it in so well. So keep that in mind. But this is the back and this is the back. That's what we're using on these. Alright, so the first one we'll do is put a drop of just the ink down. Let's see how it blows out. Okay, so there is number 1. Now let's do it on the Kirkland, and we'll do it way up here. That's what we're used to seeing. And let's do the Amazon Basic. Yeah, kind of the same thing. Yeah. So of all 3 of these, this one, those are the number 1s. These 2 are neck and neck. So, good to know. Alright, let's go with the next. We're going to do the alcohol first. I know that looks like a D. I made them close. Alcohol first, then the ink. Now I'm not going for shape. I'm just kind of blowing it out to see how it travels. Not too bad. So this is a number 2. And let's do it here. And let's do it here. Yeah. Okay. I may just use another piece of paper instead of trying to cram all that onto this one. So this is the number 2, and number 2. All right, the next one, ink, then the alcohol. There is a difference in this. Now, if you've noticed, when I hit on top of my Sharpie, it moves it a little bit. That's because Sharpies are alcohol ink markers. Oh, I gotta do this one. Let's see. Ink first. Did I do that right on those other ones? Then the alcohol. I did, didn't I? If not, there it is again. Yeah, that looks right. So I think I did. Alright, this is number 3, and number 3. Alright, what's next? The Blanco and then the ink. Let's do Blanco. Then the ink. And Blanco. Then the ink. Blanco, then ink. All right, not too bad. That's 4. All right, I'm gonna slide this up and use another one. Okay, there is some difference, but let's see. Now we do the ink, then the Blanco. And there is a difference to doing that, and I'll show you that in a second. Ink. Then Blanco. And when we get done, I will show you what those differences are, so you can make your choice when you do your flowers, which one of those you want to do first, because there is a difference. And then ink and Blanco. Okay. 5. Okay, so the difference is, look, starts off white, fades into the color. That's great for the center of flowers if you don't want to put a center on it. It's just kind of white. And even if you do, you have that white and fading into the color like this. This one starts off dark. It catches some light through here, and then it'll go back to your dark. So 2 different looks on the petals, depending on what you want, is what you're going to do. So that's pretty cool. Same here, same here. See the light? It'll eventually kick in and land right through the center and make it on out. Very good. Huh. Okay. Now I want to do the wispy, which is the alcohol and the ink blowing around and letting it be just whatever that look is. I like to call it looking like marble. You know, it gives that weird look. So let's do that. Now normally I will do this with a blow dryer, but you know, I think I will, because I never do it like this. So let me do it with the blow dryer. I'll do another one. I'll make it fair. Okay, so this is the Revlon blow dryer. It's got brush attachments on the end. I toss those. And then it's got 3 adjustments. It's got your cool high volume, heat low volume, and heat high volume. So that's your 3 on this. So this is really handy. It's easy to maneuver around, so it's really cool. Okay, so let's redo this one and see, give everybody a fair shot. Okay, there's that one. Now let's do this. Okay, there's that one. This is the only one I haven't done yet. The other 2 I kind of played around. Okay, there we go. So, get these back in their spot. So this is 6, 6, and 6. All right, let's analyze this. I don't think it's going to be hard. This one just didn't cut it for me. I can see, if you know ahead of time how this acts and adjust how you do this, I can see how this would be cute, because that's pretty, well, that's okay. If you put it in the same spot all the time, it kind of went whitish here. But yeah, I'm gonna have to say this is a no on me. The Kirkland, this is what I'm used to. All of this is great with me. This is what I'm used to working with. I know how it acts, and it does well. This has been a good, faithful one that we've had. All of the stuff did great. It's what I expected. No surprises. I'm pleasantly surprised at Amazon Basic, and because it held its own pretty daggone good. 4, it's got your light spot and then your dark. Same here. 5, it's got your dark and then it fades in here. Yeah, pretty. That did well. The ink, the alcohol did. The alcohol to ink, straight ink. Even the wispies surprised me because they look just alike. So I think we're clear. This is going to be our new one, or my new one. It's a good one. I think this is a good one. It's done everything I need it to do. Now, anything else that I do, which is take my art spatula and make leaves or something like that, it's going to do it. I mean, I don't think the alcohol is what is really, I'm worried about finding something that works well. And I'm very pleased with this. I am. So let's take this one out of the running. And so this is the basics. It's glossy. It just says glossy. And there's the package. It's a nothing package, but I don't care. So yeah, this is it. This is gonna be the new one. When I run out of this, or even when I do cards, I'll just do it on this. It's light. It's actually thinner. It's a little thicker. It's a little thinner. But I don't think it matters. It didn't come through the other side. So, yeah. Let me know what you think. If you've tried this out, let me know what your outcome is. If you've got a new one, tell me what you think about them. Tell me, I want to find a new paper. So I hope this helped. I hope this answered the question. What are we going to do when we run out of Kirkland? So let me know in the comments what you think. Y'all go have fun.